Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the different chart types which are available in SAP Lumira. So there are different types of charts which are available in Lumira, which can be categorized as the comparison charts, percentage charts, correlation charts, trend charts, and the geographic charts. So let's go to the SAP Lumira tool and see how and where we can find all these chart types. So this is my SAP Lumira tool. If I go and quickly create a data set based on the Excel file. So here I will select the Excel file using which I want to create my data set. I'll click on create. And here in the visualize room, we have the different types of charts. So we can see here that first of all we have the comparison chart. So these chart types are used to compare the difference between the values. So the comparison type charts are my bar charts, column charts, radar charts, area chart, and my heat map. So I can see here that I have these different types of charts which are available to me. After that we have the percentage charts. So these are used to show the percentage of parts in a chart. So the common types of charts which can be used for this purpose are my pie chart. If I go here, so I can see the pie chart, donut chart, funnel chart, and then the tree chart. After that we have the correlation charts. So these are used to show the relationship between the different values. So the common types of charts which comes under the correlation charts are my scatter plot, bubble chart, network chart, numeric point, and the tree chart. So I can see here that I have the different types of charts here. So if I go here, I can see the scatter plot, I can see the bubble chart, I can see the scatter matrix chart. So then we have the trend charts. So the trend charts, they are used to show the data patterns or the possible patterns. So the common types of charts which comes under this are my line chart, waterfall chart, box plot, and the parallel coordinates chart. Then we can also have the geographic charts here which are used to present the map of a country or the globe present in the analysis. So here I can see that we have the map charts as well. Like we have the geo bubble chart, we have the geo pie chart, we have the geo map chart. So all these geographic charts are also available in SAP Lumira. So if I want to use any of these charts, I can simply click on that chart. Let's say if I want to create the pie chart. After that, I have to assign the measures and the dimensions to it. Let's say if I want to show the cost of goods by my product family. So here I can see that I have created this chart where I'm able to see the cost of goods sold by the product family. Similarly, if I want to change this chart to some other type, I can simply go here and I can click on the donut chart. So automatically it has converted this pie chart to the donut chart. Similarly, if I want to show it with pie with the depth, so here I have to add the height as well. So here let's say if I want to add the height by the list price retail USD. So I can see that this is my chart with the depth which is showing my product family, the cost of goods sold, and the list price in this particular chart. So this is how we can use the different types of charts which are available in SAP Lumira, and we can use them as per the requirement. We can keep on adding the n number of visualizations in the visualize tab, and then we can create the stories on the basis of those different charts. So in this tutorial we have seen what are the different types of charts which are available in SAP Lumira, what is the purpose of each and every chart, and what charts I can use for what purpose. Thank you.